In the student activity section of Xilabs, you can see a list of submissions of students' progress in the lab. It includes a timestamp and the day that they ran the program and any attempts that they submitted to the autograder. So in this case, you can see that the student sent all of these runs and was working on the program, submitted it for 0 points out of 10, submitted it right away for 0 points out of 10, made a couple of more runs on their own, made the corrections, and submitted out of 10. A more concise version of this is in what we call our coding trail. It shows the date the program was started, the day of the week it was started. These are all development runs the student did, submitted to the autograder, and more development runs, again, ending at a 10. The same information in a clearer, more graphical way. And this can be extra useful in a roster format where you can see all of the students' submissions in the same way, with their starting date and their ending date and all of their submissions in between. To go into even further detail, if you were to click on any of the elements within the coding trail, you would be able to see what the student had coded during that run. You can do it via the coding trail, or you can do it from the programming list of submissions. You can see what they were doing at that moment. You can see what it looked like when they submitted for a grade, and see what their final looked like as well. And if by chance you're using advanced Xilabs in any of your labs, you can even use our code playback tool, which allows you to see keystroke for keystroke what students were doing. So in those cases, you might be able to see if they're having typing issues or if they were copying and pasting.